Okay, so I just finished my little creation. This is hopefully going to be for the learning how to backflip a pit bike jump. I think my carpentry work shows for itself. Oh yeah, I should give the little flick we need off the end there. We got the wood down here situated a little bit better. We got punky, no punky, punky. So we're meant to go on that. We got this properly fastened down. We got the bottom properly fastened down. Looking good to me. Looks good. We're just waiting for somebody to show up and film this. Currently all alone. Nobody wants to hang out on a Saturday. Unless we get a chicken. Hey, chickens. One of you guys hold a camera? Here you go. Somebody hold a camera. Hey. Here, hold this. Hold this. Hold this. Hey. This looks good to me. Let's go get somebody to do the filmy and back flippy. I think I am going to stud the tires on the pit bike first though. So I ordered some studs for this thing to do the backflip with because I have no traction going up to the jump. Just opened what I received from the Amazonians, and those are way too small. So I don't know if these are going to work quite how I wanted them to. Look at these things. That's definitely not what I ordered. Maybe I'll ask the camera girl. She's used to working with things that are too small. Get that in there. Doesn't even suck in. Well, those are useless. Probably just pull it out my hand. Look at that. Well, those aren't going to work. So unfortunately, I don't think you're doing the flippy flip today. Well, that sucks. This ramp's sitting here all pretty, ready to go. Nobody will show up. Studs don't work. Fuck. Let's go see what else we have going on today.
3 days later, 1 week later, 3,000 years later.
Okay, here's the video that was promised. I'm kind of regretting what I've said previously, but we got the pit bike out. We're about to lose the snow, so I think right now is as best time as any. I don't know if it's going to be 1 attempt, 2 attempt, or bail on the first time and doesn't happen again until the summer. But we're going to try this. We're going to see what happens.
That was something.
Oh my God. Oh. What happened? Like, what happened? Oh my gosh. That is... Okay. It is hard to hold on. When you're pulling on it that quick, it just wants to throw out from underneath of you. I am trying to hold on, but it is a weird feeling. Look how wet this takeoff is getting. I got no studs in my tire, so I think I probably got one more in me. I slipped on my rear end so badly off that. We need studs in the tire. I'm gonna try one more time. camera girl is pissing me off a little bit, but I am sour that I did not do this tonight. That sucks. I know the first few ones I didn't make it, and you guys might say, oh, you bailed off, you didn't hold on. It is hard to hold on to that once you have that momentum going. That is tough. When you pull so hard, so quick, that is not easy. That sucks. That really sucks. Yeah, and it's slippery. Like, it's really slippery. I know I'm making up excuses for myself, but I just want on record, I did try, and it will happen. So I just went over the footage of me doing the 2 attempts. I just realized, I'm wondering if this is what kind of messed me up. So I ended up hitting my helmet off the top of this lip. I don't know if that's probably from the tire, but I'll put up an image right now. Yeah, you can see I hit my head right off of this. I really want to keep going at this thing. I was hoping to get 2 more attempts than just 2 in there. I pulled these studs back out again that I have, but like, I don't know. I'm gonna see if that'll work. Yeah, part 2 of that's coming soon. But anyways, see if that'll work. The other day it did not. Let's try again now. Like, it doesn't even. Oh, okay. Maybe if you push it in hard enough. Like, this one actually sunk in a bit. So, no, that one's kind of in there. I don't know, I've tried a few more now and they just won't sink, so I don't know what to do. I don't want to give up on that. I really don't want to give up on that, so I'm gonna keep trying. I don't know how much more daylight I have today. I'm gonna see what I can do with that tire. I'm not gonna quit until I can backflip this, that 125, my 450, everything out there. So I just found a piece of plywood for this. Unfortunately, it's getting dark now. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. We're supposed to get a lot of rain tomorrow, I guess. So I'm scared this pile is gonna be gone. So tonight seems like kind of the only night, but we're running out of daylight. I feel like I have failed you guys, but we're not done. We are determined. We'll be back. We'll be back for attempt number 2. Hopefully we don't lose this snow pile. Oh, come on, girl. Nice sunset, though.
Much later.
These things are absolute garbage, and they don't waste your money on these studs off Amazon. They are junk. They're garbage. Don't waste your money on them. So what I did is I grabbed a couple self-tappers. I cut the ends of them off just because they were too long for this tire. It's a little flat. I might have popped it when I put them in. She good. Let's go out there, give it a few more tries. It's too slippery now. I tried again. I gave it a solid attempt. Look at the running. Nice. Oh, yeah. Nice big old rut in there now. Nice lawn. We gave her another attempt. We tried. Not today. We'll get her. We'll be taking this to dirt summertime. There we go. So I decided in that last video, even though I landed it, I never rode out of it. So tonight's the night. No matter what, I'm riding out of this backflip. Doesn't matter how many times it takes me, I'm riding out of this tonight. I stalled it! There it is, ladies and gentlemen, a backflip. I didn't like how I left off on the last one without riding it out. So I knew I had to come back out here and ride it out. And after a potential broken rib, we finally got it. So as always, do whatever you want after this video. Thanks for watching.